singing the soldier's song. Yo!
Thank you. There's nowhere in the world is the soldier song sung better than here in Glasgow. We'd like to thank the many people that sent us letters and indeed messages of congratulation here tonight to the Barrowlands. We'd like to thank them all sincerely, particularly those of the many football clubs, Celtic, Hibernian, Clyde, who wish to